Hello everyone, welcome to another 10-minute workout. So today's workout will be just for beginners. We will have 5 movements, 2 rounds of those movements, and you'll get a full body workout. So have your clocks ready. So with the 5 exercises, we'll do 45 seconds each, 15-second rest. Now if you have more time during the day, you can repeat this 10-minute in blocks of 3 or 4. Depending on how much time you have, you can repeat this as well. So for the first movement, we're starting with the lower body. So we will be doing squats. If you need assistance, you can grab a chair or a bench and just sit and stand on the bench as well. But if you're ready, we'll start now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shoulders back, tailbone tucked in, and 45 seconds. We're just going to squat or go in. Tuck your core, nice and strong. Shoulders roll back. Making sure your knees are always behind your toes. Perfect, keep it going. Well done, we'll try to get as many repetitions as we can. Nice and low. Perfect. Anytime, feel free. If you need a chair, you just do sit and stand on a chair. 5 seconds more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 15 seconds. We'll move to upper body. Option 1, you can do your push-ups or you can do shoulder taps depending on where your strength is at the moment. Ready in 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds. Nice and low, bringing your chest to the floor, keeping your hips at 90 degrees. You can watch me from the side, shoulders in line with your wrist, keeping your hips at 90 degrees. Great for beginners who are just starting to learn or get into the movement of how to do your push-ups. Option number 2, if it's too much, bring your knees a little bit back and just shoulder taps. So either push-ups or just shoulder taps. Make sure when you do shoulder taps, your body weight is not shifting from one side to the other. Core engaged, strong. Do it for another 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Changing to the next movement. It works on your glutes, your hamstrings, and your core as well. We'll just do glute bridges. Coming here, fingers almost touching the back of your foot. Tuck your tailbone in, and as you're ready, peel your glutes off, squeeze in, and rolling back down. Make sure peeling off the mat, and then going back the same way. 1 vertebra at a time. Squeeze and lower. In and lower. Very good. Another 10 seconds. Squeeze, up, 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 and roll back down. Let's go. Keep it going. Squeeze your core at the top. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. We'll come back up and we'll do a burpee. So different variations. If you've done burpees before, we'll do full or I'll tell you modification. All right, ready? Jumping in, jump back, let your body drop on the floor and jump back in. Now this is for someone who's tried burpees before. If you haven't, go down, step out, flat on the floor, step in. That's it. That's all what you're going to do. Step out, body drop, come back in. All right. Let's continue here. Another 20 seconds. If it's too much, you can go down, come back up. Step out and coming up, resting here. Perfect. Last movement for the day. We're just going to get some jumping jacks or start jumps in. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start jumps. Now, if this is too much for your knees or your lower back, all I want you to do is just stepping to the side and continuing here. The total 45 seconds, 15-second rest, and then we'll start from the top. That's it. Keep it going. Or get that full range of motion. Perfect. Whatever suits you today, wherever you are. That's it. Well done. Almost there. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 15 seconds and we'll repeat all these exercises again. Round 2. Ready in 7, 6. So get ready for squats. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Core tucked in and lower. Perfect. As low as you can without compromising your technique. Seconds more. Keep your feet planted strongly into the mat. You can have your hands to the side, arms in front of you. 15 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready for your upper body? Now again, option is shoulder taps or your push-ups, keeping your hips at 90 degrees. Resting and 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Try to go as low as you can. Push. Remember, shoulders in line with your wrist. Don't want your arms too forward or too back. Staying here. And for those who are doing shoulder taps, they can move their knees a little bit back to engage the core a little bit more. And very nice, slow movement. Control. Don't want to go too quick and compromise on your form or swaying your hips from side to side. You want nice control. Let's do another 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready for 45 seconds of glute bridges. We are ready in 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Curling through, peeling your glutes and your back off and then back into the floor. Make sure knees are away from one another. Your knees are not collapsing, you're not going too wide. Heels pressed in, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Lower, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Nice and low. And one more time. That's it. Keeping that. Maintaining here for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Coming up for your burpees. And we're ready in 10 seconds. Again, modification, either full burpee or just stepping in and out. Ready in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For those doing full burpees, jumping in, jump back, let your body drop, and jump back in. If it's too much, you go down, step out, step in, and coming up on your toes. Step out, step in, coming on your toes. Step out, step in, coming on your toes. Let's keep it going. On your toes. Well done. 15 seconds to go. Keep the pace. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Resting here. Woo. Last one. In 7 seconds, star jumps or just controlled star jumps. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. In and out. You can go slow as well. Nice. In, out, in. Or just controlling side to side. Whichever works best for you today. control here. Well done. Keep it going. Last one for today. We've got another 15 seconds and we're done. Final 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Well done, everyone. Take a breather, breathe out nice and long. Here you go, easy 10-minute workout for beginners. You can do it on your lunch break. You can do any time of the day. You just need 10 minutes. You don't need more than 10 minutes to stay fit. Now, if you have more time throughout the day, you can do the same things once or twice or thrice a day, which will get you 10, 20, 30 minutes. Depends on where you are with your fitness level, how much time you have. You can increase or decrease. But thank you for joining me today. I will see you next time. Bye.